cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a Halloween video. So basically what we are doing today is first of all that I will show you a step-by-step tutorial how to do this hair. This is a duochrome green, the front hair is UV and the other one is, I'm not gonna spoil, just keep watching the video. And after that I'm gonna show you which outfits did I choose to match the makeup that you have already seen in my two previous Halloween videos. So, are you ready for that? And here we are, ready to dye our hair. I have as less makeup on my face as possible because after dyeing the hair, I'm gonna take a shower and I don't want to remove makeup and stuff like that. But if you're interested, I'm gonna explain you. This is the main red on my lips. This is Cherry Red from Sunkissed. It is actually from a trio and it has two other very nice colors. And on the top of that, I have used the Unicorn Goo, which is from VE Cosmetics, a very nice cruelty-free and vegan brand. And on the top of that, I have used a lip gloss from Colourpop. And now, let's go to the important part, which is which hair dyes we are gonna use and how we will use them. Okay, so here I have from Stargazer UV Green. I have already opened it, so it's empty. And I have emptied the classical tube inside here. So if you want to see the color, here we have the color. And also, I'm gonna use another favorite of mine, which is the Alpine Green. This is from Directions. And if you wanna see the color, I have another one, which is almost empty, and it's here. But don't worry, I have, I think, 2-3 tubes more, so it's gonna be fine. What are we doing today? I'm gonna separate the hair kinda like that. Before I talk to you about makeup and outfit, I'm gonna show you my hair. This is the result. I'm super happy. Unfortunately, right now I don't have a UV lamp, but this is supposed to be UV. And I feel that this hair with this kinda reddish, orangey makeup is great. And here we have the first outfit and the first makeup. If you wanna see a very detailed video tutorial about this makeup, of course you can see the previous one, and right now I will explain my outfit a little bit. So this is a very nice top, and I'm gonna turn over to see it. Yes, so this is from Keystar. The gloves are from Shein or Shein, I don't know the pronunciation. Okay, and if you look at the skirt, this is from Amazon. I don't know if these clothes are still available because I have bought this last year, but if I can find the link, I will have it down below for you. And if you're curious about the jewelry here, my earrings and the headpiece, this is from Shein. This is also from Shein, and this earring right here is from Alchemy, if I'm not mistaken. This is from a local shop in Sweden, and this is also from a local shop in Greece. And that's the second and last look that I have prepared for you. So this is the vampy makeup, the second makeup that I have done, which is not that wearable, but still I like it so much, and it has some personal elements here and there. And also that's my outfit. This top is from Sinister, and this skirt is from a Swedish shop, I guess. I'm not sure if it is Swedish, which is called Light in a Box. My jewelry now, this one is from Alchemy, which is an English brand. My crown is from Shein. I think that you have already seen it in the vlog. And the earrings are from a local shop in Skopelos. I have them through years, so I'm not really sure to give you any more advice on where you can find them. So yeah, that's pretty much the look. Okay, so with that, we had one look which is more glam and, you know, wearable, I would say, if you don't want to be extreme. And this one is a little bit more on the dark side. I think it's a little bit more difficult than the other one, but I have an alternative for you in order to make what you feel for. So yeah, write down at the comments which one do you prefer the most, if you like my outfits, and in general more ideas for next year. And can I do a spoiler right now? We are about to start Vlogmas. So if you have any ideas or anything that you would like to see, please write down at the comments, and I will be very happy to reply to you and also to do your ideas. And now, after all the outfits that you have seen, it's time for the word of the day. So for today, I chose to tell you how we celebrate in Greek. So if we want to say celebrate, we use the verb γιορτάζω. 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 So, do you want to try to write a comment down below using the word γιορτάζω, either in Greek or in English, and the best comments will be featured in a next video. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here with us today. I hope that you enjoyed our Halloween series, the outfits, the makeups, the ideas. I really hope to give you ideas for this year's Halloween. If you want to see more content from me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be Catlady Antigoni down here. And also you can subscribe to this channel, because you know what's coming now? Vlogmas! Vlogmas is coming! So if you wanna make sure that you don't wanna miss anything, you know, subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell. If you like this video, you can give it a like, and you can always write a comment down below. What do you want to see next, or ideas for Vlogmas? Also, I will have a Q&A on Instagram soon, so make sure that you are here if you want to propose some ideas. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today, and bye! Happy Halloween!